how to change activity status on Microsoft Teams on your mobile device. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change your activity status on your Microsoft Teams application on your mobile. So first things first, just head over to your Microsoft Teams application. Once you're inside, just make sure you are logged into your account. As you can see, I've already logged into my account. Now, all you have to do is tap on the top left corner where your profile icon is. Here you should see an option that is available. This is basically the status of your account. You can set it to whether you are available, busy, or in Do Not Disturb mode. If you don't want people to disturb you or see you as a busy person, you can just tap on the busy option so that they will see you as busy, letting them know that you might be working on something else or not available for a call or meeting in Teams. You can also choose to click on the Appear Offline option if you want to be offline. So, that is exactly how you can easily change your activity status on Microsoft Teams on your mobile. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.